So this is the problem. Use graphic method to solve the following game. We have two players here, player X and player Y. And you can just check the problem. We have two rows, row 1 and row 2, and there are 5 columns. So this is a 2 by 5 matrix, or in general, it's a 2 by n matrix. So it's a 2 by 5 matrix. By graphic method, using graphic method, we can solve this problem. So in graphic method, what we have to do is, here you can see player A will choose strategy 1 with a probability P, and player A will choose strategy 2 with a probability 1 minus P. Okay. And the player Y, not player A, but player X will choose strategy 1 with a probability P, and player X will choose strategy 2 with a probability of one value 1 minus P. Similarly, player Y will choose strategy 1 with a probability. So that probability we have to calculate. We have to find that probability also. And what we are doing here is, we will draw lines representing the strategies of player X and the strategies of player Y. Okay. Now, in this case, player X will select the value of P to maximizes the minimum expected payoff. The point of view of player X, this particular player has to maximize his profit or his payoff. So he will choose strategies in such a way that his gain maximum. Okay. So in this case, we will draw lines representing the strategies of B, say B1, B2, etc. B5. There are 5 strategies. So we will draw lines corresponding to the strategies of B. And also we will draw 2 vertical lines representing strategies of A1 and A2. Okay, those who want to do the problem along with this session, you can draw the lines. There are 2 lines drawn here, one representing strategy A1, the other representing strategy A2. So we have, this is the method to do this problem. We have 2 strategies for A, or for X. We can name it as A1 and A2. So we can draw 2 vertical lines corresponding to A1 and A2. Okay. Now you can see the values, the payoff matrix. The first row we have 6, 3, minus 1, 0, minus 3. 6, 3, minus 1, 0, and minus 3. And the second row we have values 3, 2, minus 4, 2, and minus 1. Okay. Now the largest value is 6. And the lowest value is minus 4. This entire payoff matrix. So you can represent points from minus 4 to 6 on both these lines. From minus 4 to 6 on both these lines. Okay. Now consider the first case. That means the strategy of player Y, that is B1, or the first strategy. We can denote it by B1. The values are 6 and 3. So on A1 it is 6 and A2 it is 3. So mark these points 6 and 3 and draw this line which corresponds to strategy B1. That is the first strategy of B. Then consider B2. The values are 3 and 2. 3 on A1 and 2 on A2. Then join these 2 points. We will get the line corresponding to B2. This is a straight line corresponding to the strategy B2. Next one is B3. The value is -1, -4. -1 you can mark on A1, -4 you can mark on A2. So you can draw this line B3. You can join these points -1 and -4. That is the line which corresponds to the strategy B3. Then B4. The values are 0 and 2. 0 you can mark on A1 and 2 on A2. And you can join these 2 points 0 and 2. You will get B4. This is the line corresponding to the strategy B4. And finally, you have the B5, the fifth strategy. The points are -3 and -1. So you can have -3 on A1 and -1 on A2. Join these 2 points so that you will get the line corresponding to strategy 5 or B5. So once all these lines are drawn, first of all, the vertical lines corresponding to A1 and A2, you can mark all the points there. Then draw the lines corresponding to the strategy, where you can plot the lines which connects the values of the payoff matrix. So after drawing all these lines, now find the lower region of the intersection. The lower region of the intersection. This is actually, this corresponds to the maximin, or the lower boundary of these lines will give the minimum expected payoff. The lower boundary is this, which is marked by the points L, M, N, O, and P. This is the region. This is the lower boundary. Okay, the lower boundary of these lines will give the the minimum expected payoff. The minimum expected payoff of player A. Okay. So the lines which pass through this maximin point, this is the maximum of the minimum area. This is the minimum area, and the maximum of that minimum area is this intersection. Just like you have done the problems in LP, where you use graphical solution, you can see that the optimum points lie at the intersection points. But here it is more clear. We have the maximin point, maximum of the minimum values, which lies on the point N. And this is the intersection of 2 lines which represents the strategy B3 and B5. Both the strategies B3 and B5. So this represents B3 and B5. Now, just like using dominance property, here also we will eliminate all the other strategies of the second player, Y. We need to consider only B3 and B5. You can eliminate B1, B2, and B4, which are not part of this particular intersection point. Okay. Now you consider the 2 by 2 matrix. The 2 by 2 matrix A1, A2, A1, A2, that is the strategies of the player X. And for player B, we need to consider only B3 and B4. We can eliminate or we can ignore B1, B2, and B4. And this is the reduced matrix. So just like using dominance property, here also you can reduce the matrix into a 2 by 2 matrix by using the graphical method. Now, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. You can use probabilistic method. You can use probabilistic method, and the formula is for finding P, we have D minus C by A plus D minus B plus C. So we'll get the value like this. 3 by minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 3 by 5. Please check whether the values are correct. So we will get P is equal to 3 by 5, and therefore 1 minus P equal to 2 by 5. So we'll get the value of P. Then you can find the value of Q using this formula. We'll get the value of Q is equal to 2 by 5, and 1 minus Q is equal to 3 by 5. So you got the values of P and Q. Then the next value is value of the game. You can use the formula, the values, the payoff matrix. You can substitute, and finally you will get minus 11 by 5. That is the value of the game by using this formula. So the solution to the game, the first player, its strategies are P is 3 by 5, Q is 2 by 5. So X will choose first strategy with a probability 3 by 5 and the second strategy with a probability 2 by 5. Now, considering Y strategy, here also it is very important. Y has got 5 strategies, but out of 5 strategies, we have ignored first one, second one, and fourth one. Okay, we have considered only third and fifth. We have, by using the graphical solution, we have eliminated or we have reduced the matrix into a 2 by 2 matrix. So for all the other 3 strategies, the probability is 0, and only for third strategy and fifth strategy, we have the value of the value of Q we got 2 by 5 and 3 by 5, Q and 1 minus Q. So Y strategy is Y will choose the first strategy with a probability 0, will not choose first strategy. Y will not choose second strategy, and Y will choose the third strategy with a probability 2 by 5. The fourth one Y will not choose, whereas Y will choose the fifth one with a probability 3 by 5. And the value of the game is minus 11 by 5. So this is the problem. It's very easy. The only thing is you have to draw the lines corresponding to the strategies. So here there are only 2 strategies for the player X, first player. So we draw 2 vertical lines corresponding to the 2 strategies. And for the strategies corresponding to second player, that is Y in this case, we have to draw lines representing the strategies by plotting the points. And find the lower portion, because we are considering this the point of view of A, the player X, first player. So this is also representing the maximum value by a geometric method. So you will find the lower portion, that is the minimum value, and the maximum of the minimum value you will find at the intersection point, and you consider only 2 strategies which are intersecting at that intersection point. Then by using probabilistic method, you can find the values.